Hello, my dear children. How are you all? I hope you are safe and fit. I welcome you all in this video. In previous video, we talked about the first part of the story, Robinson Crusoe. We read that Robinson saw a footprint of a man on the sand. He was amazed to see the footprint because it was only one footprint. There was no one on the island belonged to that footprint. Robinson was very much afraid and he returned home frightened. He thought that someone was chasing him when he looked after his 2 or 3 steps. Let's continue the next part of the story. Robinson came to his cave. He called his cave as castle. He ran so fast as he thought that he was being chased by someone. He was so frightened that even he did not remember that whether he used ladder or he climbed up with the help of the holes in the rocks, which he called as door. He ran faster than an animal for cover and safety. Robinson was unable to sleep that night. As he thought more and more about whatever he had seen, he became much afraid. He thought that it could be the footprint of a savage of mainland who wandered out to the sea in a small boat. Students, here savage means wild people in primitive state. Actually, Robinson kept on imagining about the footprint. He was thinking that if the savages came to the sea and luckily he was not there at the seashore at that time, but what would happen if they saw his boat? They would realize that someone lived on the island. When they knew it, they would return again with other savages and kill and eat him. रॉबिन्सन को लगा कि मेनलैंड के सैवेजेस आएंगे और उसको मारकर खा जाएंगे. रॉबिन्सन इतना सब कुछ बस एक फुटप्रिंट देखने के कारण सोच रहा था. After such imagination, he laid very fearful for many days in his cave and prayed for his protection. अब वो अपनी सुरक्षा और बचाव के लिए प्रे कर रहा था. After many days, when he was little bit comforted, he started going out to check. But as he took 2-3 steps, he looked at his back frequently because he was still very much afraid. He went out of his cave 2-3 days, and when he saw nothing and found no one, he became little bolder. अब रॉबिन्सन का डर कुछ कम हो गया था. Now he decided to go down to the shore again and examine the footprint once more. This time he decided that he should measure the footprint with his own footmark. He went on the shore again and got closer to the footmark. He remembered that it couldn't be his footmark because he had not come to that part of the beach since a long time. And secondly, as he placed his foot alongside that footprint, he found it longer than him. His fear returned again. He went back his home again, thinking and believing that there was someone on the beach. For that time, that part of the beach was inhabited for him. Inhabited means banned. He thought he will never go to that part of the beach again. अब रॉबिन्सन ने सोच लिया था कि बीच के जिस पार्ट पर फुटप्रिंट है वो उस पार्ट पे कभी नहीं जाएगा. अब आप जरा सोचिए कि अगर वहां कोई नहीं था तो वो फुटप्रिंट कहां से आया. कैन यू गेस और इमेजिन समथिंग? If you guess something, you share your answer with me. Now, let's move to question and answer. The first question is, what did Robinson call his cave? Home, castle, bungalow. The correct answer is castle. Next question is, he could not sleep because there was an animal outside the cave. He thought savages had come from the mainland. His bed was uncomfortable. The correct answer is, he thought savages had come from the mainland. Next question is, Robinson ran back to his home as fast as he could because he was racing, was afraid, was in a hurry to go home. The correct answer is was afraid. The next question is, why was Robinson sure of the fact that it was not his footprint? It didn't look like a human footprint. It looked smaller than his. He had not come to that part of beach since a long time. The correct answer is, he had not come to that part of beach since a long time. To enhance your knowledge and understanding, let's move to homework. The first question is, how would you feel if you saw unknown footprints outside your front door? The next question is, list 5 strange actions which showed Robinson was very much scared and disturbed on seeing the footprint. I think the time has come to end this video. Again we will meet in next video. Till then, thank you. Bye bye. Take care.